Hello guys, I am Arvind and today we are going to start a new topic and that is Matplotlib. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss Matplotlib. So guys, before we get started with Matplotlib, let's first understand the concept of data visualization. So guys, let's go ahead. So data visualization is the graphical representation of information and data. Data visualization tools provide an easy way to see and understand trends, outliers and patterns in data with the help of visual elements like charts, graphs and maps. Data visualization is a quick, easy way to convey concepts in a universal manner, and you can experiment with different scenarios by making slight adjustments. Now moving forward guys, so why do we need visualization? So guys, human brain can process information easily when it is in pictorial or graphical form. So data visualization allows us to quickly interpret the data and adjust different variables to see their effects. One of the greatest benefits of visualization is that it allows us visual access to huge amounts of data in easily and digestible visuals. Now guys, moving on to next topic, and that is what is Matplotlib. So the Matplotlib is an amazing visualization library used for 2D graphics, and it was developed by John Hunter in the year 2002. So Matplotlib is a multi-platform data visualization library built on Numpy and designed to work with SciPy. It also helps decision makers to see analytics presented visually so they can understand difficult concepts or identify new patterns. With interactive visualization, we can take the concept a step further by using technology to drill down into charts and graphs for more details, interactively changing what data you see and how it is processed. Moving further guys, so we can create several plots like line, bar, scatter and histogram by using Matplotlib. And we can also use Matplotlib in Python scripts, Python shell, IPython shell, web application servers and various graphical user interface toolkits. Now moving forward guys, so guys, our next topic is why we use Matplotlib. So in Matplotlib, we can create static 2D plots which could be useful for scientific publications and presentations. Almost any plot created in Microsoft Excel can be created with Matplotlib, and Matplotlib can also be used to make 3D plots and animations. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.